Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing good. Yes, babies, we are doing English, and in English we are doing sentences. Okay, and which vowel we are doing these days? We are doing vowel. We are doing vowel E. We are doing vowel E. And what is the short sound of vowel E? Eh. What is the short sound of vowel E? Eh. Let's make sentences with this vowel. Okay, so are you all ready? Let's start. So what is the first sentence? Read the sentence and then write. So the first sentence is Ben. He is Ben. What is the first sentence? He is Ben. Okay. So I will write. He is Ben. Say the sentence and then write. He is Ben. Because Ben is a name, so B will be capital. He is Ben. Okay. Otherwise, we don't write capital letter in between the sentence, but because Ben is a name, so the first letter of name will always be capital. Ben has a pen. Ben has a pen. Now write it. Ben has a pen. No pen. Sentence finish. Put a full stop. Okay. Now number 3 sentence. The pen is red. How is the pen? It is red in color. So write the first letter capital. The pen is red. The pen is red. Full stop. Okay. Now the fourth sentence is Ben has a bell. Ben has a bell. Now write B and a Ben has as a has a bell. Ben has a bell. Okay, so these are the 4 sentences. Let's read them once again. He is Ben, full stop. Ben has a pen, full stop. The pen is red. Ben has a bell. Read the sentences and then write. Okay, now let's do the pages from Cursive for Junior. We are doing page number 54 and 55. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to match each picture with the correct word. So first read these words: bag, 10, jet, red, hen, peg, leg, pen and bed. Okay, now match them with their picture. Bag, so this man is begging. 10, number 10 is here. Jet, this is the jet. Red, match it with the color red. Okay. Hen, where is hen? Hen. Pen, this is the pen. Sorry, peg, this is the cloth peg. This is the cloth peg. Okay. So mama hang close with this. Leg, this is the leg. Pen, pen. Bed, this is a bed. Okay, so match them with their pictures. Read the word and match it with their picture. Now page number 55, what you have to do, you have to tick the correct word for each picture and write it below. So you have to find out which is the correct word. Peg or bag? This is a peg. So tick it here and write. Red or bed? This is a bed. Tick it here and write. 10 or pen? 10. Tick, write. Jet and net? Net. Tick and write. Hen or men? Men. See, M-A-N is one man, and when we say M-E-N means more than one. So, men. Ma and a man. Leg. Take the right word, write it here. Pen, take and write. Hand, take and write. Okay. So these two pages you are going to do from your book Cursive for Junior. Now let's read your book Tippy Tippy Tap. Okay. So what we are doing today, we are reading today. We are reading long E sound words. Okay. And do you remember that rule? When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking. First vowel will give you a long sound. Okay. So let's read some of the words of long E sound. B, E, B. Long sound. We'll not say B, E, B. No. B, E, B. B, E, Ch, beach. Two vowels, E and A both are vowel. So we'll read it with long sound E. B, E, Ch, beach. Okay, so babies, what is that? Do you know? This is Ch. We call it Ch. This is Ch. So whenever you see this, you will call it Ch. So B, E, Ch, beach. Tra, ta and ra. Tra, E, tree. B, E, K, beak. Long sound is there. Okay. Qua, whenever Q is there, you will always follow it. So Q and U, glue, stick with the glue. Q and U, stick with the glue. So whenever Q is there, you will always follow it. Okay. So the word is queen. Qua, E, na, queen. For Easter feast. Okay, this is a long word. So how you will read it? You read it first this word. P, E, P, Ch, S. P, P, Ch, S. Peaches. Okay. This way you will read the long sound words. First you have to see if the word is having two vowels. If it is having two vowels, then first vowel will give us a long sound. Okay. Now see. I see a bee on the tree. The eagle has a long beak. I like long sound. So I is giving us a long sound. So we will not say it lick. We will call it like. E will be silent. I like to eat peas and beans. The queen had a feast of peaches and cream. We will meet on the beach and have a feast. One more time. I see a bee on the tree. The eagle has a long beak. I like to eat peas and the beans. The queen had a feast of peaches and cream. We will meet on the beach and have a feast. Okay, so we have to stress E sound because we have two vowels here. And when two vowels are working, first one does the talking and it gives us a long sound. Alright, so babies, do lot of reading and writing practices. Don't copy all the sentences from your PDF. Just ask your mama, or what you can do if your mama does not has time, just read the sentence and then write. Okay. Only the practice needed. The more you practice, the more you will know how to write. Okay. Practice makes a man perfect. So do lot of reading practice and writing practice. Promise? Okay. So babies, this is all for today. Have a nice day.